How to find email addresses in seconds. Today I'm going to show you how to look for someone's email address with supreme accuracy and without spending minutes finding it. Keep watching because by the end of this video, you will realize that it's so easy to find an email address and you don't need to hire a virtual assistant to do it for you. Stay tuned.
So first is by using Voila Norbert. So check out voilanorbert.com. And Voila Norbert is a free Chrome extension tool that helps you find email addresses in seconds. So install this tool to your Chrome browser. And so once installed, it will appear in your Chrome toolbar. And so when you landed on a website, you click on it, and now you have to enter the prospect's name and the domain of the website. And so for this specific example, we have Rebecca as our prospect's name. So I will insert Rebecca here, and then this is the domain, and then click go ahead, Norbert. So here we have the email, Rebecca at survivingtoddlerhood.com. And so in as fast as 1 second, you'll quickly see if there is an email attached to the domain. Now, you can best use Voila Norbert for single author sites or blogs if you know the specific name of the person you're reaching out to, just like for this example, which you can quickly see on the blogs, about page, or work with me page. But for larger companies, you may want to contact a specific person like the content marketing manager or editor in charge of the blog. Next email hunting tool is Hunter. So you go to hunter.io, you create an account. Again, when you landed on a website, what you want to do is to quickly find an email address. And so for this specific example, we have sagemedia.com, and we want to find the content manager. Now, once you installed Hunter, you will quickly see it on the Chrome toolbar. So you click on it, and then it will give you all the available email addresses that you can contact to. And so we have Karin Makel. She has this email, Karin at sagemedia.com. And so by clicking Hunter, it quickly shows you every email address attached to the domain. Not all email addresses are hosted in domains. There are non-domain.com email addresses such as Gmail accounts. And so here are ways to find these non.com email addresses. So first is to either check the about page or the contact page. So here we can see that there is a Gmail account. So oftentimes small blogs or websites will just leave their contact details on their contact page or about page. And another way to find non-domain emails is using a search operator like site colon domain.com and then Gmail account. So you go to Google, you type in site colon domain.com. For this example, we have pomachronicles.com, and then use the gmail.com in quotes. So here we can see in the meta description that there is a Gmail attached to the website. So Google this exact search, then you'll be able to see on the meta description in one of the pages in the search results, the exact Gmail address. So that's how you find non-domain.com email addresses such as the Gmail account. Another email hunting approach is to first find the Twitter handle of the author and then do a Google search for site colon twitter.com slash the Twitter handle slash status. And then you can add footprints like gmail.com in quotes or yahoo.com or hotmail.com or anything else. And then there in the search results, you'll find Twitter status of the author that includes their Gmail account or any of their accounts. So for this example, we have Cyrus Shepard Gmail account that is very visible on the first page. So those are email hunting approaches that you can use to find email addresses in seconds. Next thing you also want to do is to verify email addresses you've collected. So for domain email addresses, you get to see if the email address is verified when you use Hunter or Voilan or BERT. But for non-domain email addresses, you may have to use email verification tools. Email verification tools like NeverBounce or verify emailaddress.org are some recommended websites wherein you can verify collected email addresses.
Hopefully, this video here has given you actionable ways to find email addresses in seconds and with full accuracy. Let me know in the comment section below what your biggest takeaway is. And as always, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel to get notified of the latest videos. See you in my next video.